Is your charger stuck in your Tesla Model Y? Don't panic. This video covers the most common reasons for this issue and provides step-by-step solutions to get you back on the road. We'll explore software fixes, app controls, and the emergency release, ensuring you're prepared for any charging hiccup. The Model Y charge port features a motorized, retractable design that opens and closes electronically for convenience. This design protects the port when not in use and prevents debris from entering. An automatic locking system prevents theft and accidental disconnections during charging. The system engages immediately when a charger is inserted, securing the connection safely. The key component is a solenoid-actuated latch that engages upon plug insertion. This mechanical device uses an electromagnetic coil to move a metal armature, locking the port securely. Understanding how this mechanism works is the first step in troubleshooting. Knowing the components helps identify potential issues like solenoid failure or debris accumulation. The simplest fix for a stuck charger is often through the car's touchscreen. Navigate to Charging greater than Unlock Port on your Model Y's central display. This sends a command to release the locking mechanism. Try this first, as Tesla service centers report a high success rate with this method. If the touchscreen method fails, use the Tesla app on your smartphone. Go to the Controls section and tap the Unlock Charge Port button. According to user surveys, app-based controls resolve approximately 70% of stuck charger issues. This is often effective in cases of minor glitches. When software methods fail to unlock a stuck charger, several common causes are often at play. Debris such as dirt, ice, or foreign objects can accumulate in the charge port, while mechanical failures like solenoid issues may occur. Additionally, software glitches account for about 15% of reported cases, according to Tesla's support logs. Tesla addresses these issues through software updates, such as version 2024.44, which includes enhanced diagnostics for charge port mechanisms. These updates help prevent stuck chargers by improving locking and unlocking processes. For prevention, regularly clean the charge port using a soft brush to remove debris. Also, avoid charging your Model Y on uneven surfaces to reduce mechanical strain on the port components. As a last resort, the Model Y includes a physical emergency release lever for the charge port. This manual backup is essential when electronic unlocking methods fail. The lever is located inside the trunk, specifically under the rear seats. You'll need to access the vehicle's interior to reach it. Here's what the trunk area looks like. The emergency release lever is visible near the bottom center of the trunk door. To manually disengage the charge port, simply pull this lever. This releases the locking mechanism when software or app controls aren't working. This method is particularly important during winter storms, when snow or ice might interfere with electronic systems. Tesla Motors Club forums frequently highlight how this manual release has saved users from needing professional assistance. Preventative maintenance can significantly reduce stuck charger incidents. Regular cleaning of the charge port and proactive care, especially after exposure to dirt or debris, can cut incidents by up to 40%. Looking ahead, future trends include AI-driven diagnostics that will preemptively alert owners to potential charge port issues. This technology could reduce stuck incidents by 50% by 2030. Experts from the Electric Vehicle Association emphasize that 80 to 90% of stuck charger issues are due to user error or environmental factors, such as debris, vehicle tilting, or weather conditions. Common causes of stuck chargers include environmental factors like mud, snow, or debris around the port, as well as user error, such as charging while the vehicle is tilted or not checking for obstructions before plugging in. Always check for obstructions in the charge port before attempting to charge, and never use forceful removal if the charger gets stuck, as this can cause damage to the port mechanism or the charging cable itself. Finally, remember to keep your Tesla software updated through the vehicle's display or app, as these updates often include important fixes and improvements to the charging port mechanisms.